Cornanool welcome to you all to St. Patrick's National School today. Especially to our Taoiseach Enda Kenny, who's returning to his alma mater. A special welcome is reserved for our pupils, who are very excited to be part of this wonderful occasion today.
So the flag you're getting today signifies for us who we are as Irish people. And it's a flag that has stood the test of time over so many years.
Our national flag is a symbol for peace and reconciliation on this island. We have to remember the past, but also look forward to the future, so that in future years, your story and your vision will become part of the history of Ireland.
The Republic guarantees religious and civil liberty, equal rights and equal opportunities to all its citizens.
We've been learning about the 1916 Rising and it was quite fun.
The flag is very important because, well, it's our national flag and we have to take very good care of it.
Green is for the Irish and Catholic, and
The orange is for Protestants,
then that's for the peace between them.
We're concentrating really on telling the story through the eyes of children and children's stories. It has fascinated me how interested they've become in it. It's like there's a newfound, interest and pride in being Irish and remembering.